Today we're going to be talking about Meteoroid, a meteor, and a meteorite. Before we can go anywhere else, let's talk about my diorama. In my diorama, we have Sun, we have Earth, we have Mars, and asteroid belt. And we have Meteor, Meteoroid, Meteor, and Meteorite. An Earth atmosphere made out of dust and gas. The Earth atmosphere is made out of dust and gases that protect us from asteroids and meteoroid. Meteorites are created when two asteroids come into each other and break, and that has little dust, and that dust will form a meteor, and a meteoroid is way smaller than an asteroid. Meteoroid is made out of rocks and other materials. There are three groups. Scientists have classified meteors into three groups. The stony ones, the ones that have iron in it, and the magnetic ones. So a meteoroid is not in the Earth atmosphere. A meteor is going to the Earth atmosphere but eventually burning up. A meteorite is going through the Earth and hitting any point of land. Meteoroid is a space rock that is outside the Earth atmosphere. Meteor is a space rock that is hitting Earth atmosphere but that eventually blew up. Meteorite is a space rock that is hitting Earth. Meteoroid is going to Earth atmosphere with a high speed and eventually burning up like a fireball, and it is called a meteor. Also called as a meteor or a shooting star. Now let's do a demo how a meteoroid turns into a meteor or a meteorite. Now let's do the meteor. A meteoroid turning into a meteor. Now let's do meteorite as meteoroid as a meteorite. So all about meteorite, meteor, and meteorite.